to another video. So in this video we are going to learn one of the very interesting pen testing tool named as FFFudge. Now FFFudge is a really faster fudge that can be used for web application majorly fudging, but it can also be used for different other kind of fudging also. So let's quickly go through the URL to understand it better. So FFFudge is fudge faster you fool. So it's one of the name that is the author has basically provided. But yeah, this tool has really interesting feature and it does work in a faster way. Now before proceeding further, let me remind you that if you are new to my channel, then I have done a lot of posts on information security. So please go ahead and do subscribe, do share the link if you find interesting. If you have any query, do write. I will definitely try answering. Also do watch this video completely to get the complete knowledge, right? So don't skip any part of it. So if you go through this tool, it says like a fast web fudger written in Go language. So this tool is completely written in Go language. So the way to use is you can find the released page over here. So I will just quickly show you the installation part just to give you a brief idea how you can install it and then proceed further. So if you could see some of the example usage over here is like typically directory discovery. So you can discover different URL by providing this particular fudge, which we are going to do demo in some time. Now you can also do without DNS record virtual host discovery also you can do using this tool. Much more interesting is like your get parameter fudging, which is like most of the useful when we are going for fudging your web application in any CTF or any other task, right? Now there is different tools available like your GoBuster or Directory Buster, other thing, but the only reason for using this particular tool is it is really super fast, right? When you use it, also it supports various method and all those things, right? So other one is your post data fudging. You can also perform the fudging on the post parameter also. Now maximum execution time also you can provide it using internal mutator to produce test cases. That also you can do, right? Which is like using one of the tool known as Redamsa. So Redamsa basically generate different test cases that can be used to fudge any web application or anything that you want to fudge. Now usage, let's go through and see it practically so that we can get a better idea. So I'll simply open my terminal. FFUF, right? So this is the particular tool name. Now if you go here, there are various options you can of course go through before using it. So I'm just going to show you one of the typical fudging or simple web application fudging just to give you a better idea. So the way you can use is FFUF and then hyphen say W, where you can provide the word list. So I'm going to use our, let's say, USR share, that typically used by every other application, right? So word list, and then I'm going to say directory buster, and then I'm going to say directory hyphen, yeah, list hyphen 2 point something will be there. And I'm going to use, let's say, medium.txt and hyphen u, where I'm going to provide the URL that I wanted to fudge. So I'm going to take any random URL for that matter. So let's go ahead and take our demo.test file, which is pretty simple and everybody knows about it also, right? So I'm just going to paste this your test file.net, and then finally I'm going to say which parameter that you want to fetch. So I'm going to provide, you can fetch every directory that follows this particular URL, right? So and hyphen c, the hyphen c we are using just to because a color output that we want to see, and I'm going to see hyphen v also just to get a verbose output also. Now, as soon as I press enter, you could see that the tool is actually bombarding with various requests or various parameter to fetch for hidden discovery directory and other thing. So if you could see here, it discovers some of the URL and it says 302, 302, admin 302. Now, if you want to verify, you can also verify quickly just by opening the link, right? If you could see here, this has discovered your admin.jsp, which typically redirect to your login.jsp. Now other thing also, if you could see on top of here, you can see the for the 200 response, all those things that it has discovered. Now for hash, right? So you could see within a small second of time, the tool is actually going ahead and figuring out lot of your interesting output or interesting URL. If you open this PR, that might also lead to some page or other thing, right? So this is the simple usage of this particular tool. Now I'm not saying or restricting you to only for your web application, but you can fetch for any other interesting output also. Now I'm going to share one simple screenshot which will basically or one of the simple command which will basically take the output or create the output basically in JSON format, which can be used to your Bob suite also. So let's go ahead and try that. So I will simply, let's say I'm going to open new terminal and this I ffuf, and then I'm going to say like for this is the parameter that you want to fetch, and your next command will hyphen o, which will save the output. Let's say I'm saving at your output dot t or JSON, not txt, JSON, and the final command or the next command is going to say is hyphen replay or hyphen replay actually. Okay, hyphen replay proxy, and the same parameter wherever your burp suite is running basically 127.0.0.1 colon, let's say 8000 or 8080, whatever port you have. Now this way it will directly send the request to your burp suite. If you have your tool open or other thing, then probably you will see all those interesting output. Sorry, my bad, I am okay. So hyphen w. Now, this way, this tool is going to send all the requests through your Bob suite if you have the port or proxy that is running on port number your 8000 or whichever you have provided, right? So that way you get your all those request data intercepted in Bob suite also. So also you could see that same response over here, like for 302 images and all those things, right? Which the tool is basically going ahead and discovering. So I hope you would have got some idea about using this tool. This is a really interesting tool. I would definitely suggest you to start using this tool really fast and support a lot of different feature. And yeah, sometimes fudging is really important even for your web application just to check you can perform any other attack or not. So that's pretty much it about this particular video. I hope you like it. Do it like, do share and subscribe. Thank you.